Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general list, of course, we have to scroll and find security. Then scroll and tap on more security settings, and here we've got encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it. Almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on this option and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.